Miss, that bitch gon' be back again. I'm going wherever I want, nigga, I ain't gotta do no tapping in. Rich dumb shit, gang just crazy.
What's up, YouTube?
Where you at? Alright, hurry up, speak.
Hey, you didn't tell me what we're doing.
We're wasting our tires.
Yup. Hey, Carlos, tell me what you're doing.
Yo, what up, bro?
You gonna spin the truck?
Burning rubber. Hell no, I haven't spin the fucking.
Hey, I'm gonna get out for this one, so.
Hey, you spinning this V?
Yeah, fuck it. If I'm making a video, that's the only reason I'll spin, bro. If I'm making a video, I'll spin it. Cause I don't wanna waste my tire or nothing, bro. Is that? Yeah. Yo, who coming? What the fuck? Yo, who is that? What the fuck? Who the fuck was that? Is it a random?
And he started doing donuts, bro.
Bro, what the fuck?
He fucking flew past me and he started doing donuts.
Nah, that's crazy.
He's gonna sprint to the back.
Yeah, he's gonna spin.
Wait! Wait! Let me get out!
Yo, who's that? Yeah, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what the... Yeah! Oh, fuck. Yo, he tweaking! Yo, he tweaking! What the actual fuck? What is he doing? Yo, watch out, bro.
Hit me, bro.
Huh?
That ain't gonna hit me.
I know, me too. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, bro, what the fuck? I know, he almost hit me too.
Fucking chased him, bro.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's it.
Go get the VR.
Take me.
Sunshine, lollipops, and
Did I look cool, bro?
Eh.
Eh?
Oh my, yo, this neck.
Bro.
Who the fuck is that? He parked next to you. Yeah, go.
What'd he say?
What'd he say?
He was just like, oh, who's here? I was like, I don't know, bro, but you gotta watch out.
Who the fuck is that?
Yeah.
Yo.
You said what?
What up?
Hey, you gotta watch out, bro. You almost smacked us like twice.
Oh shit, nah, I saw y'all guys. I promise, swear to God.
Nah, bro.
say you swear to God. Put that on Baba, say, put that on Allah. Say wallahi, bro, say wallahi.
Bro, you came way too close, gang. What do you mean, nah? Bro, we fucking saw you get like inches away from us. They're standing outside of the car, bro. That ain't cool.
Shit, my bad.
Yeah, it is your bad, bro.
I thought y'all were somebody different. That's why I was following y'all. My bad.
Actually,
Hey, what you got though?
I don't know, bro. Use your imagination.
Imagination.
I'm talking about the car.
I know. I'm just saying, like.
I don't know much from the look. I'm just wondering what spins like that.
It's not the car, it's the driver, bro.
It's definitely the car, bro.
Nah.
Damn, he on your ass.
Alright, I'm gonna get out of here.
Alright, bro.
What a fucking weirdo.
Yeah, probably best if you fucking do, bro.
And we're gonna kill you! Come over here! Hey, come over here!
My bad, I thought you were someone else.
What the fuck? He don't even know what car you guys talking about. He thought you were
I thought
someone
you were
else.
someone else, bro. Shut the fuck up.
You gonna record?
Yeah, I am.
Hey, I'm out there with you.
Bro, why are y'all leaving me to fuck?
I haven't been in here.
They're just leaving me. My car, boy. See my car? G.A. Dan. Whiskey Eric.
Fake, they want me for my bag. I live the life I live,
feeling, bro?
What?
How you feeling?
Cool. How my tires feeling?
Probably hot, gang.
Nah, they're good, bro.
Out bounce out, putting the rest. I'm cuz don't really get hit. Talk like some shit back, boy. No need for a vest. Don't play my game, cause you'll get stressed. Don't block with a switch and it come with back. I would say his name in this song, but ain't gon' do it. Just no little kid boy check. We riding black trucks, fast truck, bounce the masked up. Hoes trying to see where we at. Now I got a take. I got a coffee back up. I'll show you I'm a vet.
Hey, you just kicked the fucking rock in my car, bitch.
Sorry.
Hey, calm down.
No, bro.
Calm.
That's not okay.
I'm sorry.
It's not okay.
He said he's sorry.
It's not okay.
Alright, he said he's sorry.
I don't know what I'm gonna have to do, bro. Yeah, get the fucking gun.
Right, I'm gonna blaze the whole street.
Huh? No, I'm not, bro. I'm a nice guy.
No, bro, I was about to crash out on that fucking.
Nah, yeah, me too,
I got
bro.
out the car and fucking dragged him up the clutch. I'd be in his ass.
That shit pissed me off, bro. Shit's a rep, bro.
Yo, it's bando.
This shit's a rep, bro.
This is
rap?
bando.
Yeah.
this is bando,
This is off by
bando.
1 millimeter, bro. Y'all seen them videos, bro, where they fucking like smack the cars?
Magnets?
Yeah. It's like auctions.
Left, right, I'm gonna blaze the whole street.
Bro, in high school.
Yeah,
bro.
niece, I miss you. I'm excited to see you on Saturday. Oh, that's tomorrow.
I'm not playing.
Wait, hold on, let me tell you happy graduation.
Hey, Aiden wants to talk to you. Don't say nothing stupid, Aiden.
Hey, happy, congrats.
Oh, Aiden, thank you so much. I made a Vegas bombs and green tea shots.
Here we got VMS.
Oh, you made them. I thought you said we need them.
No, I made them.
Okay, I'm sure they're gonna be delicious.
Gotta go.
Another party.
All right, bye. Love you.
Yo, I'll get that one. I say please.
Yeah, hell yeah.
You're not state police, you're an ex-Marine, bro.
I'm from. Hoorah! Hoorah! Hey, tell Enzo to come over here.
He just told you he's in the city,
I
bro.
fucking forgot about this.
You forget
You
everything.
would have a little camera.
Yeah.
Why is it so tiny?
What do you mean why is it so tiny, bro? It's tiny, but it packs a punch.
Oh, okay.
Right.
What did Aiden say?
I don't know.
Bro, it's
I wonder what else got bigger.
Lock in.
I'm a boss.
Right now? Right now?
I don't know. It's down.
Why is it down? The wheel speed sensor?
Nah, I fixed it. It was just a sensor, and it must have gotten cut somehow. There's like a little like copper wire like, exposed. Whatever, I replaced it. But I ordered the parts, so I took everything off, and I was like telling my dad. And my dad's lazy, bro, so he was like, nah, you can't fix it, bro. Like, this is unfixable. I'm like, bro, this is literally fixable. But he doesn't want to help me. I gotta convince Aiden to help me.
What is it?
I just gotta fix the metal, put the skid plate, put the fender liners, and then make sure my light stays in place. That's about it.
What your dad said?
My dad's a, bro, my dad's
Alright,
lazy.
chat. That's the end of the fucking video. Y'all stay tuned for the next one, because more's coming.
guys.
Alright, bro. Alright, say bye, bro.
See ya.
See ya.
Bye.
The way you walk, the way you